In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add categories on Acuity scheduling. This is a great way to organize your services and make it easier for your clients to find what they're looking for. Whether you're just setting up your Acuity scheduling for the first time, or you're looking to refine your booking system, this guide will walk you through every step you need to create categories that reflect your offerings. First, let's start by going to the Acuity scheduling website. It's important to have all your login details ready. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice there's a login button, typically located at the top right corner. Click on this to proceed. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Take a moment to type it in carefully to avoid any typos that could prevent you from logging in successfully. Next, there's a Next button that you'll need to click on. This will take you to the next step of the login process. At this point, you may be presented with a few different options for continuing. For our purposes, we'll focus on continuing with Google. So go ahead and click on Continue with Google. Upon selecting Continue with Google, you'll be shown a list of Google accounts that you can choose from. Select the Google account you wish to use. This should be the one associated with your Acuity scheduling account. Once you've selected your Google account and followed any additional sign-in steps required by Google, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Acuity scheduling. Now, this is where the real work begins. To add a new category, you'll want to navigate to the appointment type section. This can be a bit tricky to find if you're not familiar with Acuity's interface. Typically, there will be a sidebar navigation menu where you can find a link to your appointment settings, or you may find it under some variation of settings or services. Once you're in the appointment type section, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see a list of your services if you have any already set up. Look for an option to edit one of your existing services. This link is crucial because it takes you to where you can add categories. Clicking on the edit option next to one of your services will take you to a new screen. It's here that you'll find the option to create a new category. This is exactly what we're looking for. This option might be a little hidden, so take your time to locate it. It's usually found in or around the area where you can edit the details of your appointment type. Once you click to create a new category, you'll be prompted to type in the name of your new category. This step is all about organization and making it easier for your clients to navigate your offerings. So think about a name that accurately represents the group of services you want to categorize together. Whether it's wellness sessions, consultations, or something more specific to your business, make sure it's clear and concise. After you've typed in your new category name, you're almost at the finish line. The last step is to save your work. Look for the Save button, which is usually located at the bottom or the top of the page. Clicking this will confirm the creation of your new category. And that's it. You've successfully added a category to your Acuity scheduling. This new category will now be an option when creating or editing your appointment types, making your scheduling page more organized and user-friendly. Before we wrap up, let's go over a few quick tips to ensure your success. Always double-check the spelling of your category names before saving. It's much easier to correct a mistake before it goes live. Consider how your categories will appear to your clients and whether the names you've chosen make it easier for them to find what they're looking for. And as your business grows and evolves, remember that you can always come back to this section to add, edit, or remove categories as needed. Thank you for watching. Organizing your services into categories not only helps streamline your booking process, but also enhances the overall client experience. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy scheduling!